Hey, hello guys, welcome back to another XML DOM video tutorial. And this video I'm going to show you how we can change the elements or the values inside the elements in our XML DOM object, okay, or XML file. So the first thing I want to do is to create a function, and this function is going to be called change. And here I'm gonna type, let's say, I'm gonna type in here. I have to create I'm going to create an input type button and use the onClick event handler to call the function. So let's do that, and let's give this a value of change it, and in here on click and equals, it's going to be change that's it, function change. Okay, so in here I can use a parameter as well. So in here I'm going to type text. And now what I have to do first is to create a variable, and and call the object, which is load XML doc. So here I'm gonna say XML doc is equal to load XML doc. The file is dom.xml. This is the file. This is our XML file in here. I have created a new book. Okay, so I have now two different elements, or two different books, Everyday Italian and Everyday Job. So you can create two different books, okay, because we will need that to prove that our code works. So let's proceed, and now let's create another variable, x equals to XML doc dot get elements by tag name. Okay, don't forget these are case sensitive. You have to put the capital letters as they are supposed to be. Okay, and now here I just type title, first title, and child nodes, capital N, okay, and 0 as well. Okay, now here you have to put something like x dot node value equals to text. Okay, text is the parameter, so this is where we say what type of text we want to put in the node value. Okay, that's basically what we are saying in here. Obviously we will define whatever we want to give or change in the text in here, okay, later. So now I can save this, and now to prove that I really change the code, okay, the element title, and I'm going to try to change Everyday Italian to something else, to whatever I want. So what I'm going to do is a code that we already did in the last video that will loop through the titles in the file and will output them all, okay, in the web page. So you will see whatever I want to change everyday Italian from or to. So I will try to change this everyday to, I'm going to put everyday USA, okay? So you will see the output everyday USA and everyday job, okay? So I can just come up in here and say every day USA, okay? And now I can put in here, I have to start the loop, okay? So the first thing I want to do is create a variable y that is going to hold the elements by tag name title. So I can copy these, copy, paste. So all elements with title, I want all elements that have title. And now I say for I equals 0 and I is less than y dot length and I plus plus, open curly braces, and in here I'm gonna say alert, and here I'll type y yi and child nodes, child nodes 0 and node value, and then I can type here plus line break. Okay, perfect. So I think that's pretty much it. Okay, we are ready. I'm going to loop through all the elements by tag name title, okay, and the values of them. Okay, so I would probably get, or I should get, an alert box saying everyday USA, which is the first one, is the one that I want to change. And if you pay attention, I changed it because I mentioned it here. 0 is the first one, okay? If I wanted to change the second one, I would put here 1, okay? So save this, and everyday USA. That's pretty much it. Let's try and see if it works. Okay. So let's run this in Firefox and click it, and there it is. Everyday USA and break. Okay, doesn't work. Everyday job. It doesn't appear in the same message box. So what I'm going to do is change a little bit. This thing here. Let's change this and put a document right, as we did in the last video. It's more presentable. And in here, document right, and BR. Perfect. So save it. Let's run this, Firefox. Okay, here it is. Click it, and there it is. Everyday USA and everyday job. Perfect. Okay, if I change this to another, let's say here, everyday Spain, or whatever you want to do there, I would just come up in here, run it again, and Click it, and there it is. Everyday Spain, everyday job. Okay, so you see how we can change whatever elements we want in our XML. Okay, so this is it for now, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.